It's better to create your own brand so that if you're successful, you have the opportunity to go out of the Philippines.
Since its foundation in 1991, Anvil Business Club continued on propagating positive Confucian and Filipino values, encouraged dynamic entrepreneurship, and excellence in promoting economic and social progress through different programs and activities. And to adhere their mission in propagating entrepreneurial courage, professional excellence, dynamic leadership, and global competitiveness, Anvil Business Club held their monthly exchange forum at the Chardonnay by Astoria. CEO of Jollibee Food Corporation, Ernesto Tanmantiong, was the resource speaker for the recently conducted forum spearheaded by Patrick Cua, the incumbent president, Chairman Wilson Lee Flores, and Chairman Emeritus George C. Tanmantiong shared his experiences and how he overcome life struggles in order to become who he is today.
From an all-around part-time unofficial crew during off classes in 1975, to store manager in 1978, to assistant operations manager, to operations manager in 1985, to executive vice president, to president of Jollibee brand, to COO of JFC Philippines, and in 2014, I was appointed as CEO of JFC. The first lesson I learned is that it is important to surround yourself with people who are competent, passionate, and dedicated. The second lesson is to share your success and prosper together. The third lesson is to always keep a positive outlook. Every crisis and setback comes with a learning moment to progress myself or the company. Finally, I've learned that it is important to always dream big with passion and commitment.
Through their monthly assemblies, they seek to edify members about their businesses, discuss about the latest business trends and news as well as the national economy state. And as new generation of young Filipino-Chinese entrepreneurs prepares to take the mantle of leadership to the next level, the organization is reminded that maturing business upstarts, it is only in making a conscious upward leap from being mere anvils today to becoming the wielders of the hammer tomorrow that will make the Anvil Business Club truly relevant.